If you're using GetKoala, you probably already know what's going on. Koala got acquired, and they officially announced that they're shutting down services on September 13th. And we've been hearing a lot from people who are now scrambling to find a replacement. In fact, we are already onboarding a couple of folks from Koala next week. And if you're one of the many still looking for a direction, this video is for you. We personally received a lot of emails over the past few days from Koala users. People asking if Agent Frank could be a replacement. So I wanted to take a moment to not just say yes, but actually walk you through why Agent Frank isn't just a good alternative, but actually a much better one. Agent Frank is an AI sales agent that handles everything from research to writing to sending emails, all autonomously. But what makes it perfect for Koala users is our co-pilot mode. That means before any email goes out, you get to see what Frank has written, review it, make any changes if needed, and then approve it. It's that simple. It fits perfectly if you're someone who's used to reviewing intent data and customizing outreach. Frank does that for you and gives you full control before anything gets sent. And the best part, it's half the price. Koala was charging 1,000 bucks a month. Agent Frank comes in at 500 bucks. Now let's get into the details. Here's what you get with Agent Frank. Unlimited seats. Unlike Koala, you're not being restricted to 2 or 3 users. Over a month, you can process over 2,000 contacts. Compared to Koala's 100, that's 20 times more. You get built-in infrastructure. Agent Frank takes care of the deliverability, domains, mailboxes, without you needing to jump into Gmail, Outlook, or any third-party tool. You get contact and company-based research, lead qualification, hyper-personalized outreach, all done for you. And if you want to, you can upload your own custom lead lists yourself. Agent Frank also supports more than 20 languages, so you can do native outreach across different geographies. It's a fully customizable agent. You just make sure the tone and the goal is set up correctly. But all of the other setup is done for you. You don't have to lift a finger. One of the biggest differences of Agent Frank is support. With Koala, if something broke, you emailed them and waited. With Agent Frank, the moment you sign up, we spin up a dedicated Slack channel just for you. And the response times are crazy low, at around 10 minutes. That is because you get a dedicated account manager, Slack-based support, faster response times, real people who know your setup and actually care. We're proud of the reviews we've gotten about our support. I'll show you a few of them on screen now. So look, if you're using Koala, you're already doing modern, intent-driven outreach. Don't let this shutdown set you back. We're giving you everything Koala offered with more features, more scale, and better support. All of that for half the price. We'll even help you migrate. We'll do the heavy lifting, and we'll make sure you don't miss a beat. The link to book a live demo is below. We won't beat around the bush, and on the very first call, we'll bring in one of our AEs to show you the demo and get you up and running right away. So don't wait till you're out of options.